This Lake Mahogany home is virtually brand new and features a legal 2-bedroom basement suite. Built by the award-winning builder Excel Homes, this is a very thoughtfully laid out floor plan that features 4 bedrooms up and a bonus room and a ton of customization. I love this mudroom off the front here with the pocket door. You can kind of hide your shoes and jackets. A central dining room and a very convenient main floor office. Now there is a half bathroom here, right off your kitchen living area. Also heavily upgraded. Beautiful quartz countertops, soft close cabinetry, and of course your upgraded appliance package. My favorite part of the kitchen here is this pantry. Now this home actually sits on one of the largest available lots in all of Mahogany. You have no neighbors behind. And when I say almost brand new, it's only a few months old. The builder has just finished the grading in the backyard, so it's just ready for sod now. And this beautifully accented electric fireplace goes right up to your 9-foot ceilings. There's speakers throughout, custom window coverings. Just a truly remarkable executive residence. Now, no shortage of space, even upstairs. This incredible bonus room. Love these vaulted ceilings and 4 bedrooms, all uniquely with their own walk-in closets. Another really unique touch of this home is that it actually has 2 master bedrooms. Of course, the walk-in closet. This one actually features a full bathroom. You have a designated laundry area here as well, and kind of the primary master suite overlooking the backyard, no neighbors behind. Gorgeous bathroom here, also with the soft close cabinetry, soaker tub, tiled shower, and water closet. And just a huge walk-in closet here. Just love these high ceilings. Now here you got your separate entrance for your basement. This suite, done by Excel Homes, all fully under warranty, permitted, has been a really great short-term rental for the owners. Soft close cabinetry down here as well, with the same luxury plank vinyl floors, and 2 more bedrooms. There's also a designated laundry space and your full bathroom. So if you're looking for that home that's almost brand new, perhaps you don't want to wait 10 months to get it built yourself, check out this home. It's a gorgeous executive residence, perfect for multi-generational living. If you guys have any questions or would like to book a viewing, You know where to find me. Thanks for watching.